Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand how to calculate the pump head in the shortcut method. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will learn the shortcut formula to calculate the pump head. If your pump is old and you did not have its name details, we will calculate the pump head directly using the methods below, with the aid of the pump discharge line, pressure gauge. Next, the pump head calculation shortcut formula is pump head in meters is equals to pump discharge pressure is multiplied by 10, where P is the pump pressure, in bar, it's obtained from the pump discharge line, pressure gauge readings, H, head, in meters. Next, we will learn how to calculate the pump head in the shortcut methods. Calculate the pump head of the centrifugal pump, which has a discharge pressure of 6 bars. The given data, P is the pump pressure, 6 bars. It's obtained from the pump discharge line, pressure gauge readings. Next, H is the head. We need to calculate the pump head in meters. Next, the pump head calculation shortcut formula is pump head in meters is equals to pump discharge pressure is multiplied by 10. Apply the given data, we will get the pump head. Head is equals to 6 bars, which is obtained from pressure gauge readings and multiplied by 10. Therefore, obtained pump head is 60 meters. Please note that the obtained head may deviate slightly. For precise calculations, use the formula to determine the pump head. We hope everyone understands how to calculate the pump head in the shortcut method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.